Okay, gather round. This journal, it's like a romantic novel. It's just like a dream. I keep these on hand for gifts, but the reason why I do that is, number one, the heart shape details. It's not only like wrapped in soft leather. I love the details. It's a vibe that screams she journals and has herself together. I like the heart design though. It's just does something to my brain. It is portable perfection. This is the A5 size, fits into your tote, into your purse. Even that like cute little clutch, yes, it goes in there. 256 pages. Look at that. It's just so pretty. It's just so pretty. I love the gold. No bleed through drama. You use your prettiest pens. Has the date, notes. The paper holds the ink. Like, it doesn't bleed through. No smudges. Just real aesthetic energy. You'll catch me writing secrets, goals, grocery lists, doodling. But treat your future self. Treat a friend. Because you guys deserve a notebook like this one. It's just very pretty. I love the purple color. Highly, highly recommend. Highly recommend.